Hey guys, it's Jenny Silver, and today I want to talk to those of you in the state of California who are stuck on pending with your EDD unemployment claims. Many of you are stuck on pending, and I want to address a few of the major reasons why. First up, right now, many of you have reached the end of your benefit year. You were required to file a new claim, and if you qualified for a new claim, you may have been able to certify for that new claim. Well, for the first up to 3 weeks, your claim is under review. You will see your claim noted as pending if you click on Claim History and view your most recent certifications. If you see pending on a brand new claim, either your first time filing a claim or if you had reached the end of your benefit year and you filed a new claims will be pending for up to 3 weeks. They can go through to paid as quickly as a few days or as long as 3 weeks, and it varies from each claim. Everyone will experience a different wait time on this review process. Now, the EDD states on their website that new claims can expect to wait up to 3 weeks to receive their first payment. This is because during that point in time, the EDD must send your claim out to a separate department where they review the details of your claim. If you call into customer service will not be able to help you. They will tell you that your new claim is under review and that you simply must wait anywhere between 1 and 3 weeks. The next reason why your claim may be stuck in pending is because you have reached the end of your benefit year. For UI, PEUC, and FED-ED claims, when you reach the end of your benefit year, the EDD requires that you file a new claim. If you don't qualify for a new claim, that's okay because your old claim will be extended, but the EDD is required by the Department of Labor to check and see if you do qualify for a new claim. Because this is a federal guideline, the EDD is required to do this. So if you reach the end of 12 months worth of benefits on UI, FED-ED, or PEUC, then it's time to file a new claim. Your payments may be stuck in pending because you've reached the end of your benefit year. Confirm that you've reached the end of your benefit year, go to UI Online, look at your claim start date, and count 12 months after that. That's the end of your benefit year. Even if it says on extension, the end of your benefit year is still 12 months after your claim start date. Now, once you reach the end of that date, some unemployment claims, UI, PEUC, or FED-ED, may be able to still certify and be paid. And if you are able to certify and be paid, that's great. You can continue certifying, but keep in mind that once you reach the end of your benefit year, your claims may start to be stuck in pending. If you are stuck in pending outside of your benefit year, then it's time for you to file a new claim. Next, some of you may be awaiting the next PEUC extension. If you are UI or PEUC or FED-ED that has reached the end of FED-ED and next you are waiting for a PEUC extension to be applied to your claim, you will be waiting up until April 17th. The EDD recently stated that they would finish applying PEUC extensions up by April 17th. Now, some of you are seeing a 1 week paid and 1 week pending. That could be due to a benefit year-end problem, as we discussed previously, but it could also be due to certifying 1 week before the prior stimulus bill expired and 1 week within the new stimulus bill. If you certified after March 14th, for claims weeks on a PEUC extension, that week will most likely be marked as pending until the EDD has updated your own specific claim with the new PEUC extension. If you are pending and it is because you have certified and not yet received the PEUC extension, then you will be waiting up until April 17th for the EDD to apply that to your claim. Next, your claim may be pending because you have a stop payment alert on your account within EDD's internal computer system. California State Auditor that audited the EDD several months back revealed that the EDD had switched off what's known as stop payment alerts within their computer system a while ago, and it was allowing fraudulent claims to continue to be paid. The auditor required that EDD switch back on these stop payment alerts in their system. However, because we are a year into the pandemic and the EDD still has not updated their systems to be pandemic friendly, these systems are often tripped up by your certifications. If you certify that you are not looking for work, that you are not available for full-time work, or other various things that you can note in your certifications, These can often trip up the system and cause a stop payment alert to be applied. That doesn't mean that you don't qualify for benefits, but it does mean that a representative will need to clear this alert from the system in order to get you paid. In that case, you will need to call into customer service, let them know that you are stuck in pending, and the representative should be able to either help you over the phone, or they may need to schedule you a phone interview in order to clear your pending payments and get them pushed to paid. In some cases, these payments are pending because they need to collect additional information from you over a phone interview. In some cases, they may need to verify your information, or they may need to verify your reasons for unemployment or other important information. Unfortunately, the EDD does not, in most cases, reach out to you for this if you are stuck in pending. So in that case, you will need to call into customer service and try to get your pending payments moved to paid. Lastly, your claim could be pending due to the need to do an ID verification. If the EDD has requested you to verify your ID or verify your income or other supporting documentation, the EDD will not pay you until you complete that verification. Now, some of you may have completed what you thought was the end of the process on ID.me, but unfortunately you did not receive a confirmation from ID.me in your email stating that you were complete. If you didn't receive that final confirmation email, then it means that you did not complete the process. Additionally, if the EDD did not send you a text message once they have applied the ID verification to your claim, then it means that the process is not complete on the EDD's end. Now, once you complete your ID verification successfully, the EDD within about 10 days will send you a text message alert letting you know that they have applied your ID verification to your claim. If they don't send you that text message 10 days after your ID has been verified successfully, then call into customer service, because some subscribers do report that their successful ID verification was never processed on the EDD's end. In that case, you would need to call into customer service and make sure that your ID verification has been applied. Okay, you guys, I hope that was helpful. Please click like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below.